ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. In the last decade, these systems have changed the way resumes are processed and screened. Many human resource departments now process all resumes through an ATS, which acts like a spam filter to eliminate applicants whose experience, skills, and qualifications don't match the job description. Optimizing your resume for ATS is important to ensure that you survive the initial screening process and that your resume is read by an actual human. With over 200 applicant tracking systems on the market today, it's important to know which, if any, the company you're interested in is using. But if you're applying for a job at a mid-size or larger company, there's a good chance your resume will be screened by one of these systems. So it's crucial to create a resume that can impress both robots and humans. In this video, we'll share 5 simple tips to beat ATS and get you the interview. Font selection. Sans serif fonts are safest for ATS readability. Choose a font like Arial, Calibri, or Helvetica to make sure your resume can be read easily by an ATS and human recruiters. Tip 2, dates. List only your graduation year from the University of Findlay and any other school you received degrees from, not the years you attended. For employment and other experience, include the month and year you started and ended each position. The ATS will use this information to calculate how many years of experience you have. Tip 3, keywords. Use the job description in the employer's website to identify keywords and use these throughout your resume. Look for words that are repeated in the job description and think about how you can naturally incorporate them into your summary or experience sections. Just be careful not to stuff your resume with keywords and don't use them out of context. Tip 4, language matching. The ATS will be scanning your resume for words and terms that match the job description. So keep this in mind. If you use the term customer support in your summary, but the job description uses an alternate term, client support, change your language to reflect the job description. The ATS will also be on the lookout for the title of the job you're applying for. If you're applying to be a project manager, but you've never held that title in a previous role, consider using aspiring project manager as your headline or in your professional summary. Just remember to be honest about your level of experience. Tip 5, file format. If you're asked to upload your resume in a specific format, make sure you follow the instructions. Otherwise, you can save and submit your resume as a Word document or a PDF file. Word documents should be saved in the newest file type or compatibility mode. In general, this file type is more likely to be recognized by an ATS. If you're sending your resume directly to a hiring manager, or the system requires you to manually enter your information in addition to uploading a file, you may want to save your resume as a PDF. Resources. If you'd like to know more about ATS or how your resume will fare against the system, visit jobscan.com, where you can upload your resume along with the job description. JobScan will generate a report with your ATS and recruiter match rates, as well as other helpful tips to improve your resume. You can also visit the Center for Career and Professional Development to talk with a counselor and receive feedback on your resume.